Hey there, I hope this video finds you really well. In today's video, we are going to cover where we can have great view in our phone. Yes, you heard correctly. Not on desktop, not on laptop, but yes, in our phone. And believe me, these are very easiest steps that you can do without downloading any application, extension or anything else. So what are you waiting for? Let's watch this tutorial.
So I'm going to copy the link first of all, which is actually shared in the WhatsApp group. Here we go. So you can get the link from anywhere. If somebody has shared. Sorry, my voice is looking little heavy because I just woke up. Oh, I have to prepare the video for you all guys. So we will go to the Chrome first of all and we will paste that link. But unfortunately, I have to add few settings. It can happen with you as well. Please be focused here. So we'll click on sign in and you will select the account which you want to. Okay, there can be so many accounts, some can be professional, some can be the personal. Based on the meeting you have to find out and need to select. I will select this Kajal Singh only. Continue as a Kajal. Let's wait for a few seconds and it's almost done. Yep. So second step is we have to click on the three dots which is on top right corner and we have to select the desktop site. Yep. Now we are almost done. Wait. No, not now. So I will click on the search bar and will paste the link which I have for the meeting. So yes, after doing this, you will get this pop-up whether you want to get any notifications or you want to turn on your camera and microphone, yes or no. Of course, since it is the virtual meeting, we need both the things,
This
right?
Google Meet on this Chrome in the desktop site, I am not getting the pop for some permissions, but you may get that. For that, I'm just sharing the instructions. Click on three dot which is on top right corner. You will click on setting. You will go only for the site setting. You can see microphone and camera have been allowed. Here, sometimes it shows that yes, it's allowed. However, here a few settings are blocked. You can select allow and you can done that thing for both the camera and microphones. Let's come back to the meeting. So finally enabling the camera and audio, we can now join the meeting and let's see what functions can be added using this browser feature. Not now. I'll mute my mic and will keep my camera turned off. Wow, now I can click on join now. Here, the moment I will click on it, you will be able to see that I can see the participants who are available in this class. But right now, if you see, I have 18 participants on my screen. I will click on three dots, will click on the change layout, and I'll increase it. The moment I will increase, I will be able to see my all the participants. Yes. Now here there are so many functions available. For example, you will click on the three dots. There you can start whiteboard where you can make notes, you can change the layout, you can make the screen. You can also switch the camera, you can apply some visual effects that will help you to change your background. Captions options are available, which was also available in the application. There's nothing different now. Hmm. Here you can see on the participants by clicking on it. Here you can access how many people are there, and that's all. Thank you. I hope this tutorial was quite helpful and you are going to follow these easiest steps to have a look so that you can see the participants very well and you can actually enjoy this virtual meeting.
If you really like my video, please don't forget to like it, because all the efforts I make just because you will learn something from this channel. So your one like helps me and motivates me really a lot to come up with another content. If you have still any question regarding this tutorial, don't forget to use the comment box where I can support you with some responses. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.